Yeah, total money you have raised. Okay, thank you.
Our next company is a biomedical startup from Odisha called Kalinga Biomedical that provides quality hospital equipment at affordable prices.
We are the biomedical startup in Odisha, started at BHUBANESWAR. We are solving the problems of doctors and hospital owners. We are basically doing the medical equipment maintenance services. After the selling of medical equipments like ventilator, OT equipment, other equipments, the company persons are not giving the right or proper services to the customers and the hospital owners. And also we are planning to launch our health kit named as Kalinga Swasthya Kit. It contains 4 devices like body vital parameters. One is BP apparatus, second one is diabetic for diabetic sugar machine, and third one is temperature for thermometer, digital thermometer, and the fourth one is nebulizer for pediatric patients.
Okay, we are out of time, Manoj. Thanks to the jury.
So I think the model is interesting because it's a service, it's a need by a hospital. Otherwise, they end up calling 20, 40 different suppliers for 40 different items, and everyone takes their own time. So I appreciate the model. The question is, how will you manage all that?
Yeah, we have a great team containing 6 tech team that is correlated to biomedical service maintenance. So in our industry, we faces that very less biomedical engineer, qualified biomedical engineer are there. Due to there is very less universities who are offering biomedical courses. We are planning to do the electronics and applied electronics branch students to train them to do the medical equipment maintenance in, because there is a huge requirement in hospitals. So maintaining the equipments, we are planning to do that.
You know, I would request you to really question your fundamental assumption once again, whether you are in a best position to address this need, because from my knowledge, whether it is a premium medical product or device, or whether it is in the value segment, which is in between, or mass, or let's say consumable. So if you look at that spectrum, all the medical device companies and equipment are actually thinking very, very actively about maintenance, and they are engaging distributors also who have the reach with the hospital procurement departments and decision makers to be able to make that choice and appoint them, as opposed to somebody coming in and doing that completely anew. So you might want to really examine that very closely, because I'm worried about that fundamental assumption.
We are giving the